Hey guys, I'm so glad that you're able to hang out with us today while we do a day of pampering for my daughters. So, I included all the ingredients on the screen and I'm showing you the tools that were used. We're really excited about it, and I wanted to include that on the face mask, I used oatmeal this time, and usually I use avocado. And I just like the way the avocado whips up better. It seems to go on thicker and it feels really good afterwards. The girls, they didn't have an issue with the oatmeal. I just didn't like the consistency that much. But it didn't matter to them either way. They were just happy to have a face mask. Yeah, the girls really enjoyed the sugar scrub. They loved the color and how cute it was, and it was very pigmented. You can kind of determine how much you want in there. I used the gel food coloring. I used the whole tube of yellow, and it washed right off, so it didn't stain the skin. I really liked it. And we had a whole lot left over, so I just stored it up for next go round. So this ended up being really funny because we used one of Amelia's bath bombs and put it in her foot tub, and it ended up turning her foot pink. So that was a note to self. I don't know if it was because, just because that bath bomb was really pigmented or because it was such a small amount of water, but it ended up staining her foot. So we had to wipe it down with alcohol to get it all off. But she thought it was cute and funny that her foot was pink. So it was a good laugh, but no harm done, right? Here I had the girls do a switcheroo while I gave Amelia her massage experience and I gave Kalia her chance to use the foot spa. And now it's Kalia's turn. It's going to be cut a little short because my camera did shut off, but I also wanted to include that I washed the girls' hair and conditioned it, and I gave them that quick natural style that you'll see at the end of the video. I don't know if you can tell already, but they are relaxed and just enjoying themselves. They have their movie and their popcorn. They've already devoured it. So I think we won't have any trouble at nap time. Hey guys, so we had a little photo session afterwards and the girls had a ball, I had a ball. It was just awesome. So if you like what you see, just like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell so you know when that new content comes out. I'm so glad you're part of our YouTube family and I can't wait till next time. See you later.